Dhaka. Jordan's industrial hub and the third largest city may not be the traditional tourist center, but it serves as a convenient place for travelers exploring Oman, Jerish, and the desert landscape nearby. The hotel here range from budget-friendly inns and serviced apartments to mid-range business hotels that focus on comfort and practicality. Here are the top 10 hotels in Zarqa that promise a comfortable stay with a warm, charity and hospitality. The first one is Al Zarqa Hotel. Al Zarqa Hotel is one of the most recognized accommodation in this city, offering clean and functional rooms at affordable rates. Guests enjoy amenities like free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and private bathrooms. Its location in central Zarqa make it convenient for accessing local markets, shops, and public transport. The staff are polite and helpful, ensuring a safe and welcoming environment. It's a practical option for budget-conscious travelers. The second one is Zarqa Palace Hotel. Zarqa Palace Hotel blends affordability with comfort, featuring neatly designed rooms and a welcoming atmosphere. Guests highlight attentive staff and quick service, especially for travelers staying longer. The hotel has an in-house restaurant offering local Georgian dishes along with some international options. Its central location provides access to the city's business areas. It's a reliable stay for both tourists and business visitors. The third one is Sama Zarqa Hotel Apartments. For those seeking more space and privacy, Sama Zarqa offer apartment-style accommodations with kitchen facilities. Ideal for families or long-term visitors, the rooms are spacious and come with living areas and modern amenities. Guests particularly enjoy the flexibility of the self-catering combined with hotel service. Staff are friendly and quick to assist with local tips. It's perfect for travelers who want a homely experience in Zarqa. The fourth one is Al Faz Hotel. Al Faz Hotel is a mid-range property known for its comfortable rooms and friendly service. The hotel offers basic amenities like Wi-Fi, AC, and private bathrooms, ensuring convenience for short stays. Guests appreciate the value for money, pricing, and clean facilities. Located close to key roads, it's popular among travelers transiting between Amman and Sarka. A simple but dependable choice for business and leisure travelers. The fifth one is Golden Star Hotel. Golden Star Hotel adds a touch of elegance to Zarqa's hotel scenes with its modern interior and updated facilities. Rooms are cozy and well furnished, providing guests with a comfortable environment. The on-site dining areas serve both Middle Eastern and continental dishes. Guests highlight the efficiency of the staff and the calm atmosphere. It's an excellent option for those wanting mid-range comfort. The next one is Relax in Zarqa. True to its name, relaxing provides a calm and peaceful stay for travelers. The rooms are modest but clean, equipped with essentials for a comfortable visit. The property is located away from the city's busy streets, in a quiet environment. Guests appreciate the portability and welcoming staff. It's perfect for those wanting value, simplicity, and rest. The next one is Al Haram Hotel Apartments. This property offers furnished apartments designed for families and business travelers. Rooms include kitchens, making them suitable for long-term stays. Guests enjoy the flexibility of cooking their own meals by still having access to hotel-style service. The apartments are spacious and well kept, providing good value for money. Central location at its practicality. The next one is Crown Hotel Zarqa. Crown Hotel is one of the most established hotels in Zarqa, offering a mix of business and leisure facilities. Rooms are well maintained with modern amenities. The restaurants serve traditional Georgian cuisine and popular international dishes. Guest highlights the professionalism of the staff and the comfortable environment. It's a solid option for those wanting a balanced scale of service and convenience. The second last is Al Amal Hotel. Al Amal Hotel is a smaller property focusing on budget travelers who want clean and secure lodging. Rooms are functional with comfortable beds, Wi-Fi, and private bathrooms. The staff are known for their warm hospitality, often going the extra miles to help guests. It's close to local shops and restaurants, making food access easy. A simple, safe, and affordable stay. The last one is Zarka Modern Hotel. Zarka Modern Hotel offers upgraded facilities with stylish interiors and neat, comfortable rooms. Guests enjoy a range of amenities like flat-screen TVs, Wi-Fi, and well-equipped bathrooms. The hotel also has a small cafe where visitors can enjoy snacks and coffee. It's popular among business travelers who prefer a polished atmosphere, a dependable option for those wanting comfort and modernity combined. Serka may not have the glitz of Hamad, but its hotel provides a balance of affordability, comfort, and local hospitality. From modern options like Seta Modern and Golden Star family style apartments like Sama Seta, the city's accommodation suit for short visits and long stays.